today's digital age, having a strong online presence is crucial for businesses and entrepreneurs alike. And at the core of this online presence lies web hosting. But what if you could take your hosting game to the next level by leveraging the power of virtual machines? Welcome to our comprehensive guide, where we'll dive deep into the world of virtual machines hosting, exploring its benefits, setup process, and how you can even monetize it by selling web hosting services. Whether you're a seasoned hosting professional or just starting out, this guide will provide you with the insights you need to navigate the exciting realm of VM hosting. Let's start with the basics. What are virtual machines? A virtual machine, or VM for short, is essentially a software emulation of a physical computer. It acts as an independent computing system complete with its own operating system running on top of another. Operating system known as the host machine. The magic behind VMS is the use of a hypervisor, which is a software layer that sits between the host OS and the guest OS, allowing multiple guest OSs to run simultaneously on a single physical server. Each VM is isolated from the others, meaning that if one VM experiences issues, it won't affect the other VMS on the same physical hardware. This isolation ensures that your hosted environments remain secure and interference-free, providing a reliable hosting experience for your clients. Now that we've covered the fundamentals of VMS, let's explore what VM hosting entails. VM hosting is a hosting method where multiple websites, applications, or services run on separate virtual machines. With VM hosting, each client or application gets its own dedicated VM resources such as CPU, memory, and storage. This approach offers enhanced flexibility, scalability, and security compared to traditional shared hosting environments. To get started with setting up virtual machine hosting, you'll need to choose a provider. Reputable providers like AWS, DigitalOcean, or Linode offer a range of VM options with different configurations. Once you've selected your provider, it's time to choose a virtual machine. Consider the specific resource requirements of the applications you'll be hosting, including CPU cores, RAM, and disk space. Most providers allow you to customize these specifications to suit your needs. After selecting your VM, configure the networking, security, and backup settings. Ensure that your VM has proper internet connectivity and that UVA implemented security measures such as firewalls and SSH keys. Regular backups are also crucial to protect against data loss. The next step is to install the necessary software. Deploy a web server like Apache or Nginx, a database such as MySQL or PostgreSQL, a control panel like cPanel or Plesk. These tools will provide you with the functionality needed to manage your hosting environment and serve your clients effectively. Before deploying applications, it's essential to secure your VM. Implement strong security practices such as using firewalls, enabling two-factor authentication, and keeping your software up to date. Regular security updates will help you patch vulnerabilities and protect your hosted environment from potential threats. Now that your VM is set up and secured, it's time to deploy your applications. Host the websites or apps for your clients, optimizing their performance and ensuring they have the resources they need to run smoothly. Monitor your VM's resource usage, including CPU, RAM, and storage. If you notice that a particular client is consuming an excessive amount of resources, take action to optimize their usage, or consider upgrading their hosting plan. With your virtual machines hosting environment ready to go, it's time to explore how you can leverage it to sell web hosting services. Before diving in, however, please subscribe to our channel. We release valuable content about hosting and web technologies every week. You don't want to miss out. Also, please like this video as it helps us grow. So let's get started. First, conduct thorough market research to understand your target audience and competition. Identify the specific needs and pain points of your potential clients, whether they are small businesses, bloggers, or developers. Analyze your competitors' offerings and try to differentiate yourself by offering unique value propositions or specialized hosting solutions. Once you have a clear understanding of your target market, it's time to choose a suitable business model. Determine whether to offer shared hosting, VPS hosting, or dedicated hosting based on your VM setup and target audience. Each hosting type caters to different needs and resource requirements. Create attractive hosting packages with varying levels of resources and features. Consider offering different plans, such as budget, standard, and premium, to cater to a wide range of clients and their requirements. Clearly outline the features, benefits, and limitations of each package to avoid confusion and manage expectations. Setting up a billing system is crucial for accepting payments and managing invoices. Explore options such as WHMCs or host bill to automate your billing processes, accept various payment methods, and generate professional invoices. Integrating your billing system with your hosting environment will streamline your operations. To attract customers, it's essential to market your hosting services. Utilize search engine optimization, social media marketing, and content marketing to raise awareness and drive traffic to your website. Build a strong online presence by creating informative content, engaging on social media, and building relationships with potential clients. Providing excellent support is vital for customer satisfaction and retention. Offer 24/7 technical support through multiple channels such as email, live chat, or a ticketing system. Respond promptly to customer queries and issues, demonstrating your commitment to their success. As you venture into the world of selling web hosting services using virtual machines, keep these best practices in mind. Prioritize uptime and reliability by choosing a reputable hosting provider with a proven track record. Implement redundant backups to safeguard your customers' data and ensure business continuity. Ensure the security of your hosting environment by implementing robust security measures, regularly updating your software, and using security scanning tools. Offer your customers a choice of support options, including documentation, tutorials, and a knowledge base. Be transparent with your customers about the services you provide and any limitations or restrictions they should be aware of. Explore popular tools and providers to enhance your hosting services. Consider using Kpanel or Plesk as control panels, as they offer a wide range of features and are user-friendly. For billing and automation, look into WHMCs or host bill to streamline your invoicing and payment processes. In conclusion, Virtual Machines Hosting offers a robust and versatile platform for launching your web hosting business. By understanding the benefits of VMS, following the setup process, and implementing best practices for selling hosting services, you can position your business for success in the competitive hosting industry. Embrace the scalability, cost-effectiveness, and flexibility offered by VM hosting and cater to the growing demand for reliable hosting solutions. As technology continues to evolve, stay adaptable and keep learning to leverage the latest advancements in VM hosting and provide top-notch services to your clients. Remember, your hosting business is your gateway to the exciting world of web hosting. Stay updated with the latest trends and technologies and always prioritize customer satisfaction. So go forth and embark on your hosting journey.